not like
pepperoni. Yo. Yo.
Good morning or good afternoon. I really cannot believe that my stay in Hawaii is coming to a close so soon. I feel like I literally got here yesterday, but I have to say bye so soon. I have so many emotions about it. Like going to a place you look forward to being away from home and being excited, a little bit of me time. And then you stay in that place for 2 weeks and then suddenly you've kind of gotten used to the place, but you also miss home. And you're like, I want to stay, but I also want to go. I want to stay, but I want to go. What to do? I don't really have a choice. I have to go back. But in the meantime, I'm just going to enjoy the last few days that I have here. So while scrolling on TikTok, I found out about this swap meet, which is essentially a flea market that they have here, and they sell all kind of goodies at an affordable price. So consider checking it out if you come here. But this place is huge. They had so much to offer. The heat was crazy. I literally had to buy a hand fan just so that I can actually enjoy the walk. You'll be coming back with. Why you want 30? You want 30? The amount of time that I spent at the beach, one would think that I'm such a fan, but really, I just think the beach is very calming, to be honest. Just walking around or just sitting down watching the waves or just hearing the water sound is very relaxing to me. So I do enjoy that. As you know, I said last time, I don't enjoy swimming in it as much, but definitely just being present there is a lot more fun and enjoyable for me. Literally sitting here and realizing that this is going to be the last time I would be here, at least this year. I feel a certain type of way about it, but I am grateful at least that I got to visit Hawaii for the first time. I had so many amazing memories that were created here. I came with the right people. Although it was for work, I think I was able to get the best out of this. And on top of it, I also got to see a friend that I haven't seen in 2 years, so this was great. Oh,
Do they have a quad?
that doesn't sound bad, but that's a lot of arm workout. I'm not up for that.
You can sit up the street. You can sit in the back.
You just want to be busy. Ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, E.
R. I'm stuck on R. Rage.
Okay, good. What's it?
Jeez.
1, 2, 3, B.
That was crazy. It's my son.
1, 2.
Oh, so it's what? One up?
No, yeah, you're 2.
I'm up?
Yeah.
I got 2?
No, your cousin. Why? Yes, you.
I just run it, man.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, P. You say I?
Yeah. Pepperoni. Yo, I'm a genius.
It wasn't all that, but it wasn't bad either.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
Thank you so much.
This is the first time I'm waking up to this kind of weather in Hawaii. Just looks so not like Hawaii. What's going on? Came back to Leonard's Bakery to get some malasadas again, but this one I want to go back with it so that I can have my sister give it a try. And the trip is over. I'm not ready to go back to the cold, but I have to go back to the cold, so let the adventure begin. And we are back, and this is what I am being welcomed to: the snow. I missed it, but not really. I love it, but not really. I am back in the cold. No! I am back in the Midwest. Hawaii was fun. Now it's time to get back to work. There's so much to do. There is really, really so much to do, and it is going to require discipline again. Why? Because every single time that I travel, it always messes up with my routine. And right before I left, I already had such a good routine, so now I have to get it back together again so that I can be as productive as the Lord has desired for me to be this year. So January is almost ending, and before February hits, I have to make sure that I am back on my Zoom. So welcome back. Yay. Anyways, it is well. It is well.